Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing 2026. Okay, let's start the video. You trying to find the theme option on Instagram but it's not showing up. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now tap on search bar and search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down. Now tap on apps. Find the Instagram apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. Scroll up, now tap on permission and allow all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now go to your Instagram apps. Now tap on Messenger. Now tap on theme option. Now select your color. Now tap on apply. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.